Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Got a day off work today, so I thought I'd come out for a nice hike around one of my favourite places. So today I'm at the Roaches in the Peak District, so I'm going to take you around. We'll have a look around the place, I'll show you the views. I've got my camera with me as well, so I'm going to take some pictures, and as usual I'll stick them up at the end of the video. So come on, I'll show you around. As you can tell everyone, it's a bit grey and overcast today, and it is quite windy. Hopefully the wind's not causing too much of a problem with this video and you can hear me okay. Nearly to the top. When we get up there I'll show you some more of the views and we'll take a few pictures. Just a few more steps and we'll be at the top, everyone. So we're not far from the top now, just a little bit further. Not a very long walk this one, I think it's around about 4 miles, something like that. So, you know, it's a great place to come to, just to get, you know, a bit of exercise, a bit of fresh air. As you can tell, I'm a bit out of breath. I've not been doing much walking recently, as you can tell, but I'm going to take a few pictures. I must admit, the weather's not very inspiring today. You can probably tell it's quite windy, it's very wet. Take a few pictures anyway and stick them up. at the end of the video. As you can see, everyone, the weather's miserable today. I was hoping the rain's going to hold off, but it looks like it might be raining down there. Hopefully it doesn't come over here. As you can see, guys, it's become quite misty now. There's a lot of low-lying cloud and it's raining a little bit as well, so the weather's not very good. So at the moment I'm not going to get my camera out. It's not worth it. I don't like getting my camera out when it's raining and you're not going to be able to take any decent pictures in this weather, but I'm glad I've come out anyway. Get a bit of exercise, like I said, fresh air. And I do love it around here. It is fantastic, beautiful place. There was a really bad fire up here a couple of years ago when we were having a lot of bushfires and things like that out in the Peak District. And natural beauty like this place. Unfortunately, a lot of the heather was burnt and the scrub, and it kind of devastated it really. For a little drink of coffee. Sorry about this, guys, the weather's terrible. I was expecting it to be a bit nicer than this, but well, that's the way it goes. Can't complain too much, it is March. Oops. Oh, that's nice. Really hope the audio's okay with it being so windy on the microphone. Just to give you guys a heads up on what I'll be doing in the very, very near future. Me and my family are going to be going to Scotland soon on holiday, on the west coast of Scotland for a week. So I'm really looking forward to that, and it's a good opportunity to get, you know, quite a few videos recorded. I might potentially be camping out with my grandson Max, and you know, there'll be some more hiking, photography. I think we'll probably be going over to the Isle of Mull as well, so hopefully if I take my big lens, might get some pictures of the white-tailed sea eagles, which is something that I really want to do. Had a drink, let's get cracking. nearly had a little disaster then. I realised that my microphone had fallen off. I've just had to walk all the way back down there, and luckily I found it on the path, so I was lucky there. Like I said, the weather might be bad and it doesn't look great on camera, but it really is a beautiful place around here. Me and my partner Amanda love it. Like I said, it's no biggie that I've not been able to take any pictures today. The main thing I wanted to do today is just come for a nice walk and get a bit of exercise. I did actually bring some food with me as well, but I'm not going to sit up here and eat it. I'll eat it when I get back to the car. It's gone really misty up here now. Visibility is that's totally gone. So a bit disappointing. I can't really show you the rest of the scenery on my camera. So not much further across the top of the Roaches now. Just follow this path down here, and then I'm not sure if you can pick it up on the camera. There's a road going down there which will be leading back to the car. Starting to clear up a little bit. It's not as misty as what it was at the top of the Roaches up there. Now we're making our way back down to the road. made it down to the road now, so I'm on the final straight. Just not too long, just a short walk down here and then back to the car. So it has cleared up quite a bit down here now. I'm not sure if the camera's doing it justice, but it really is beautiful scenery. Just a shame it went so misty up on the top of the Roaches, but that's the way it goes. Right guys, that's it from me today. It's starting to rain. I'm only about 5 minutes away from my car as well, and the battery's going on my camera, so I'll say bye. I hope you've enjoyed it today. If you have, give me a thumbs up on the video, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. It doesn't cost anything, and I'll be back soon. Like I said, I'm going to Scotland in a couple of weeks, so expect a few more videos up in the next 2 or 3 weeks. Thanks for watching guys. Until next time, I'll catch you later. Bye.